We'll put our flowered shirts on at the drop of a funny-looking hat. Form a Congo line. Any old time we hear the sound of a Caribbean band. We gather together, fun being our pleasure, the beach our favorite habitat. People see us coming, I know they're wondering, who the hell is that? It's a Parrothead rendezvous. Party with a purpose, yeah, that's what we do. Celebrate the beach life, listening to our favorite guys singing their tropical tunes. Ooh, that's a Parrothead rendezvous. Florida, Arizona, even California, I flock with some of the best. Down in Louisiana, Gulf Shores, Alabama, it's hard to beat that crew in Key West. Beach boys and girls from around the world gathering with to manifest. When we're raising money for somebody's buddy, that's when we're the happiest. It's a Parrothead rendezvous. Party with a purpose, yeah, that's what we do. Celebrate the beach life, listening to our favorite guys singing their tropical tunes. Ooh, that's a Parrothead rendezvous. Wait, man. Some people say I'm pretty good when I write and sing, but I admit I found Lord, 'cause Jimmy's still the king. It's a Parrothead rendezvous. Party with a purpose, yeah, that's what we do. Celebrate the beach life, listening to our favorite guys singing their tropical tunes.